Today, we'll go over the history and a general summary of AMP in the market, as well as how it's assisting the blockchain in addressing its issues. We'll do our best to respond to these frequently asked questions. Is it wise to invest in amplification? How much will an AMP be worth in 2025 or in 10 years? What distinguishes the app? The native token AMP of the Flexa network has made immediate payment authorizations feasible, cutting the transaction procedure short. It is the privilege of the user to be able to guarantee on any type of value exchange, be it digital payments. A dedicated league of consultants and investors has an AMP in fiat currency exchange, loan distributions, property sales, and more. Flexa Network and Consensus co-developed the network's native token, a concept that evolved into a breakthrough ERC20 token that is making waves on the crypto exchange AMP token. Truths that are less well known: one of the most appealing features of AMP is the ability to increase transaction rates as the network grows, resulting in a massive increase in the number of miners supported by a robust and high-bandwidth public blockchain platform. The issue AMP has addressed is accessibility issues and catching fraudulent or spurious transactions by peers. The foundation of AMP is entirely reliant on the mathematical consistency of the entire block in an enabled transaction, which is cross-checked without revealing any data or message on the other party involved in the transaction, thus security obstacles are arrested first. One distinguishing feature of this protocol is that it ensures liquidity and lightning-fast transaction speeds on the network. This distinguishing feature distinguishes it from other Ethereum-based decentralized finance protocols while also establishing a plethora of mining avenues. As a result, it would not be an exaggeration to describe the function of AMP tokens as catalysts in implementing smart contracts and transferring funds. AMP cryptocurrency price forecast: based on our AMP price predictions, a long-term increase is expected in the crypto market. With a 5-year investment, the price forecast for 2026 is 48 cents. The revenue of the AMP cryptocurrency is expected to be around 5,000% wallet investor at the beginning of December 2021, and the AMP price could be around 14 cents, according to our AMP forecast maximum price 14 cents. 12 cents is the minimal price. For the month, the average AMP price will be roughly 13 cents. The end-of-month price prediction is 13 cents. Long-term outlook: the AMP cryptocurrency price is expected to be approximately 10 cents by the start of December 2021, with a maximum price of 12 cents. December 2021 will have a minimum price of 8 cents. For December 2021, the average AMP price is 10 cents. End of December 2021 pricing projection for AMP December 2021: 10 cents change 6%. CoinSlide: the price of AMP started at 1 cent in 2021 and is now sold at 7 cents, a 690% rise from the start of the year. The average AMP price anticipated for the end of 2021 is 21 cents. The increase from today to year-end plus 169 in the first half of 2022, the AMP price will grow to 38 cents, then drop 2 cents to conclude the year at 36 cents. Coin price forecast: since 2021, the AMP coin price has experienced several bullish swings that are greater than the previous one. In the near to midterm scenario, the average AMP price has to break over the retracement level at 8 cents for our AMP price prediction 2021. Our long-term AMP price prognosis is positive, with a strong chance of setting a new all-time high this year. Quora Coin: based on current investor attitude and the overall trajectory of the cryptocurrency industry, we believe AMP has long-term earning potential and a reasonable probability of reaching 30 cents to $1 in 2022 if the trend continues, making it a good investment decision. Based on the AMP historical price data, our price projection engine projects that the AMP price will be around 7 cents tomorrow as a closing price. Coin arbitrage investors will continue to value AMP price, with a steady trade climb to date indicating that buyers could see a price increase of 90 cents this year due to fixed supply. Reddit community price projection for AMPs from 2021 to 2025. The growing tendency has been forecast solely on the qualities of AMP's security and dependability. The inflow of capital by institutional investors in the long run, in light of the epidemic and the uncertainty surrounding it, will have a further impact on pricing for this collateral token. The cash segment has taken a severe hit, causing nations' deficits to skyrocket, even in rich countries like the United States. Price forecast for 2021. If the market conditions improve, the AMP token is set to break all barriers and perform exuberantly, scaling the top in the near future, as predicted by our forecast, transgressing all limitations during the next year. Users can conduct research and add AMP, as well as other crypto coins, in their portfolios in order to make large gains in the near future, backed by solid smart contracts. By the end of 2021, the AMP price might possibly reach 11 cents. Price forecast for 2022. There is no surefire cryptocurrency forecast for any of the existing crypto coins, but based on historical data and cryptocurrency markets, AMP is poised to solidify its position as a major draw among its users, partners, and traders. AMP may maintain a positive outlook as long as the price trades with bullish momentum. The road ahead is paved with petals if investment or confidence continues to rise, culminating in a huge price push that pushes the price past all obstacles, reaching 13 cents. Price forecast for 2023. If the desire for functional crypto continues beyond 2023, the AMP price may even see a paradigm rush, making it profitable to invest in AMP now to reap a significant profit in the future. Price forecast for 2024. Many predictions are being made for AMP, particularly in light of the company's technological breakthroughs and rising fields of development. It is predicted that the AMP price will reach 19 cents. Majorly, security and scalability features have done the favor, and interesting promotional endeavors may do the rest, allowing users to reap the benefits. Price forecast for 2025. The functionality behind AMP is carved by the masterminds over the next 5 years. The token is set to catch up with other cryptocurrencies and arrive at a price of 25 cents. A jaw-dropping optimism is predicted for AMP mainly due to its consistent performance over the years. Traders should consult our AMP forecast before investing AMP price predictions beyond 2025. With a little patience and a lot of hope, long-term investors can expect a turnaround by the end of 2026 as the adoption of AMP would grow exponentially, and AMP would no longer be a naive entrant in the world of cryptocurrencies, but a seasoned player, turning 32 cents, so it is advisable to buy AMP at the current price level to earn more profit.